it's Amalia from To Die For MTL. For those of you who don't know me, I make custom cakes, cupcakes, and cake pops. I am 100% self-taught. I've learned from all the YouTube tutorials that I've found, craftsy classes, recipe books, and basically trial and error. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super cute, super adorable Easter cake pops. Just look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but how adorable are these bunny bumps? And we also have baby chicks. So these would look great, particularly if you're hosting for Easter, whether it's brunch, lunch, or dinner. You can serve them like this in a little jar or a little vase, whatever you find at home, and use them as centerpieces. My favorite idea though would be to set up a table with all the plates and put this on each plate. And you can create a little name tag and put the person's name on it, and these would serve as name tags on your Easter setup. So let's get started. And you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. So that's all for today, guys. Happy baking!